Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you something that I purchased at Dollar Tree today for Easter. These are very heavy-duty wood-like blocks. I think they have MDF on the back, but it looks like it's wood on the front, and they're very big. So let me see if I can measure. The carrot is, let me see real quick. The carrot is 10.5 inches tall, so 10.5 inches tall on the carrot, and then the bunny is right at 9.5 inches, and then the egg is almost 8 inches tall. So I wanted to point these out to you because this would be an excellent project for any of your Easter or spring craft shows. And they're pretty heavy duty. And so the carrot can stand up on its side. The bunny stands up. And then the egg stands up. They're perfect. So I am going to cover them with paper, and I'll walk you through that process today. The carrot may be a little bit of an issue because I'm trying to get a pencil in here, but I'll do my best. And then I'm going to start out with the bunny, and I'll come back with that in just a moment. Okay. These would be great to decoupage. You could use napkins to decoupage. That would make it super easy. I plan on using this paper that I purchased. It is a Michaels spring paper, so I'm going to do this for the bunny. So I want this paper on the front of the bunny. This is the front of the bunny. I'm going to go ahead and turn the paper over, and I'm going to turn my bunny over. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. And all I'm going to do is trace around the bunny. You could actually put them at the bottom, and then that'll just be one less thing to cut. And so all I will do is trace around the bunny. You're going to have to file this down because it's actually going to be bigger than the bunny. And in fact, I went out a lot. Oops. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump. Go ahead and pull this down. Probably be easier to decoupage with a napkin. So there we have it. And all I will do is cut it out and glue it on my bunny. Okay. So here is the bunny. I do need to take a sanding block and sand down the edges, but I think he's pretty cute. I will put like a button eye and a pom-pom tail just to, you know, kind of add some interest to it. But I think he turned out pretty good. You know, considering that's my first time. Well, I'm not the best person to cut out things, so I actually had to cut it out twice. So just so you know, when you trace it, I'll show you. Like I'm going to do the carrot top out of this green. When you trace it, if you'll put your pen in like this at an angle towards the piece, you should be able to cut it out as close as possible to the image. I mean to the to the whatever you're using, that object. Okay, that's just trying to help you out with that. I plan on cutting the carrot out. I know this is kind of strange, but I don't have any cute orange spring paper, so I thought this is from the same paper collection. I'll go ahead and do the blue and white polka dots for the bottom, And, you know, if I don't like that, there's another side that I can, you know, do that as well. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this real quick. The carrot, I plan on scanning this on my printer and printing that out, because I'm going to have a hard time getting in these grooves to get this correct. Or, you know, I could just sand it down and it would be okay. We'll see how that turns out. And then the egg, I haven't picked out the paper for it, but it is going to be so easy. You probably want to start with the, if this is your first time doing it, I would start with the egg and then go to the bunny and then to the carrot, and then, yeah, that way it would be easier. But I do plan on scanning this out on my printer to see if that will work for me. We shall see. Just to kind of make a template that I can, you know, just place on here, cut around, and not worry about having to get this correct. Anyway, I'll show you how everything turns out in a few minutes. Okay. So here is what I made, and let me show you something that I did purchase at Dollar Tree. They have these cute little, they're ornaments, they're tree ornaments, basically, and they're $1.25. I'm not sure, it says it's a tabletop sign, but that's not what's in there. So there's little ornaments, and they're super cute. There should be 12, 3 of each. So that is what's on the carrot. I wrapped the neck of the carrot with twine. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the bunny and the egg, but here they are, the 3 that I completed. And I would love to see what you do with yours. Tag me, or, you know, put a link in the comments section if you decide to do a video or anything with these Dollar Tree Easter forms, wood forms. Anyway, I think they're darling. I think there's so many things you could do with them. Like I said, you could paint them, you could decoupage them with napkins, paper, whatever. The egg would be super cute. Polka dot, that would be super cute. I just used the paper pack that I had. And anyway, let me know what you plan on doing with them, and do you plan on selling them in a craft show? Another thing, I think the twine would look super cute around the neck of the bunny with one of these hanging down. Let's see, I want to show you what all these look like anyway. There's a little carrot. That's what's hanging on the carrot. It's a little carrot car. Super cute. This is a little rainbow egg bunny shape. Oh my gosh. Look at the chick. That's super cute. I don't remember seeing these at Dollar Tree. And look with this chick coming out of the egg with the bunny egg. That's cute. But I think if you hung some twine, wrap some twine around that the bunny's neck, and then hang one of these, that would be kind of cute. Yeah. There's so many things you can do with these. Let me know what you plan on doing with them. Tag me. I would love to see what you do. Okay? All right. Have a great day. Bye.